Hello, welcome. I knew you would make it. I am so pleased to have you here today. I put this system together just for you. I know you've been struggling with your mindset and with the lifestyle and trying to get it all to come together for you. I know how hard it is. I too struggled back in the day before I learned the secrets on how to put it together and how to change my mindset, my vibration, and to know that everything I want is right there waiting for me. And when you do, when you realize this, when it actually comes to pass, you will be so enlightened and you'll be so glad you did because you're going to get into that vibrational field where everything starts to manifest and you'll be like, why didn't I do this before? Why am I waiting? So when you do this, oh my gosh, I can't wait for you to get started. Like I said, I put this together just for you to get you going and to get you on that path to having the lifestyle you want. There's no sense in dreaming about it if you're not going to make it happen, right? Right? You know you're right. And it's just so amazing how great you are and how much you're going to learn in this short period of time. When you get started with this, get going, look at it, go through it, and actually do the steps. Do what it takes to make it happen for you. Okay? I put this together just for you, and I made it as easy as I could possibly think to make it. There'll be more courses coming. This is to get you started. So get going today, because you know what? Tomorrow never comes because it's today. As soon as you go to sleep, you wake up and it's today. So if you get started right now, you're going to cut out the middle person and you are going to get right on target, right on track, and it's all going to be there for you. So if you have any questions or you need anything, don't hesitate. I've got my line open and I'd be more than happy to hear from you. So take a look, get going, okay? Again, I knew you were here. I was just waiting for you. Thank you. I will talk to you later. And you know what? I can't wait to see what you do. You are amazing.